mountains rise, touching the blue of endless skies. From emerald valleys to deserts wide, Pakistan's heart beats full of pride.
Golden sunsets on rivers bright, stars above in the silent night, voices of culture, strong and free, echo through time in harmony.
From north to south, the shining land, unity built by every hand. Beyond the Indus, bold and true, my homeland lives in me and me. From north to south,